Hi friends, today we will discuss construction and working of OR gate. See, as we know, OR gate is a logic gate which has two inputs and one output, right? So it performs a logical function of addition, right? See, addition, it only does the binary addition. It uses binary addition. So now see, this logic symbol of OR gate is like this. So it has two inputs A, B and one output, that is Y. As we said, it performs addition, so that is A plus B. Now this Y equal to A plus B, that expression is called as what? Boolean expression. What do you mean by Boolean expression? It is the relation between output and input, right? So truth table, that is the what are the possible inputs and what is the possible output of OR gate. Now see, we have A, B. See, we can apply either low signal or high signal. Low signal we will denote with what? 0, and high signal we denote with 1. See, low signal may be what? 0 volt, this may be what? 5 volt also. But we will denote by what? 1, and low signal is denoted by what? 0. So now, if we apply A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, so in binary Y, 0 plus 0 is equal to what? 0. That means if we apply input A, B low, then output will be also what? Low. And if next one, if I apply A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, that is low signal and high signal, or low voltage, high voltage, then 0 plus 1, so again we will get what? 1. Similarly, vice versa, 1 0, we will get what? 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So if both inputs are high, that is we apply high voltage across both, then we will get what? High output. See, 1 plus 1, 1. In binary addition, we will get only what? In terms of 1 or 0 only. So this is the working of what? Boolean expression. Now, construction of OR gate. Now see, construction of OR gate. See, OR gate is made up of two PN junction diodes. PN junction diodes. See, now what principle we will use here is mainly whenever a diode is forward bias. When we will call it as forward bias, if we apply high voltage and low voltage, high voltage to P and low voltage to N, then it will become what? Forward bias. See, for ideal PN junction diode, forward bias will act as what? Short. It will act as what? Short. Similarly, if PN junction diode is reverse biased, then it is what? Low voltage, and this is what? High voltage. Then it will act as what? Open circuit. That means what? No current flows through this circuit. This too we have to remember to understand the working of this gate. See, now we have working. See, if input A is equal to 0 and input B is equal to also 0. Now see, A is equal to 0 volt, B is equal to also 0 volt. See, we have connected to earth, that means what? This is what? 0 volt. Now see, this is also 0 volt, this is also 0 volt. There is no potential difference across this diode. That means this diode and this diode will not conduct. Both diode will not conduct means this will be potential what? 0. This will also be what? Potential 0. So output also we will get what? Potential 0. Right? So for input A equal to 0, B equal to 0, we will get output Y equal to 1. Now see second case, if A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, that means A equal to 0, B equal to 1. Now see, this is 1 volt, this is 0 volt, that means what? This is a high potential, this is a low potential. Now this will act as a forward bias. As we told, if it is acting as forward bias, it will act as what? A short. Now short means if it is 1 volt, then it will also act as what? 1 volt. Now this is 0, so it will not conduct. So this is what? Reverse biased. So now it will act as what? Open circuit. So now if it is 1 volt, this will also be act as what? 1 volt. Now this is also short. If it is 1 volt, then Y output will get as what? 1 volt. Therefore, if A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, then Y also will get as what? 1. That is, output is equal to 1. Next, see, third one. See, if A equal to 1, B equal to 0, same, A equal to 1, B equal to 0. Now this will act as what? Short. This will act as what? Open. This is reverse bias. This is what? Forward bias. Now if it is at 1 volt, this will also be at 1 volt. So output also will be what? 1 volt. So we will got a high output. Now see, last one, if A equal to 1, B equal to 1. So now both will act as short and both will be maintained at what? 1 volt. So output also will get as what? 1 volt. See, finally we will understand that is what? OR gate. OR itself says what? If any one input is high, then our output is high. Output is high. Right? Thank you.